We were feeding those little
There's
duckies.
a chicken.
That is a chicken. That chicken wasn't there before. But we were feeding those little duckies and they were eating right out of our hand. It was adorable.
Okay, come on.
It was adorable, but now they're like...
Now there's a chicken.
Now it's a chicken. That's what freaking happens. Freaking chickens happen. That's what happens.
Come on.
Eamon, get another bun and see if it works.
Okay.
They might just come. Quickly. Run. Go.
But there's seagulls, man.
There's seagulls everywhere, but there's nothing we can do about it. Hey, duckies, look at this. Look, I'm frying bread. It's not leaves, I swear.
Why is there four
Eamon.
chickens?
Oh my god, there's more chickens.
They look funny.
Okay, Eamon, get ready.
Oh God, ripping us in half.
Quickly.
Ah,
Yeah, little birdies.
come on. It's
I like chickens.
chickens. Get away, chickens. I'll hit you with a freaking snicker.
Yeah, birdies.
Here you go.
Come on, you know.
You go.
We've done it before.
How fucking you crazy.
Come on, little birdie. Come on. Come on.
What the hell? Go.
Eamon, don't. Just maybe the chickens will have to do it this time. Come on, chicken.
They're freaking chickens.
They're freaking chickens. Yes, they're freaking.
They're ugly.
Come on, ducklings.
Boo.
Eamon, don't. They're freaking bastard. Come on, little sparrow. You can do this. Yeah. Yeah, you did it. You did it. Yeah. Okay, now your turn, chicken. You can do this.
No, no ducklings. Go.
Ducklings, come back.
Oh, we can do this.
Now do this again. Ah, fucking chickens. Come on.
They just chicken out. Like,
Hello, little birdie. Come on. You can do this. You gotta believe. You gotta believe in it. What the hell?
oh yeah, go.
Oh, you go, Mama Duck. You go, girl. Stop fighting.
What?
Birds everywhere. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Okay, chicken, come in. Come in. You can do this. You can do this. Come in. Take some courage. Use courage. You gotta believe in yourself.
Bro, look, man.
What? Oh yeah. This chicken has courage. It's not chicken. It's a courageous chicken. It's not chicken. It's a different breed of chicken. Chicken. Ah, crap.
Say chicken and they chicken out.
Chicken.
Come on, ducklings.
Come on, ducklings. You gotta believe.
We'll make it. Should we
Come
get
get rid of these
closer?
freaking chickens.
Should we get closer?
Okay, let's see if we can get closer. Come in. Ducky.
I'm ducking.
No.
No, ducky.
Come back.
Leave.
We love you.
Leave.
We love you.
Oh, that's it.
Ah, fucking sparrows.
Oh, ducky.
Look, the ducky's close.
No.
Ah, chickens. Ah, bloody hell, we hate you all.
Oh my God.
Especially you, seagulls. Nobody ever liked you. Jesus.
Boo.
Oh, come on, we got. Stop fighting, you two. Come on. Childish. Oh, look at the chicken.
I'm gonna eat this in front of you.
Who's looking after the car? Okay. Where's my Kindle?
You're ducky.
Eamon, you're scaring the little birdies.
I'll kill you. You have a flower.
Since when were chickens so annoying?
I'm hitting them with a flower.
They're kind of cute, but I mean, the ducklings. What the hell was that noise?
It's a chicken.
But the ducklings are cuter.
I'm gonna throw them.
Oh. Come on. Oh, hello. Hello, I saw you earlier. I took a few photos of you. Oh yeah, come on. One for the camera, baby.
Ah, god damn it, you fucking...
Darren started to scaring them. Oh no, they're back. Oh no. Oh, dang it. Oh, what the hell?
Ducky!
Strangest noise. Come on, do it again, I dare you.
Ducky!
That's hilarious.
No, Ducky!
Ducky, come on. Oh no, now there's a camera on the camera.
Power dog.
Okay, come on, Ducky.
Dun.
No! No! Come back, my little pretties! No! No! Oh! Hate you! You and you! Hate all of you!
Chicken run!
We trusted you! Freaking hell.
I mean,
We were feeding those from our hand. One bun for about half an hour, 45 minutes. It was awesome. Until they got scared away. Dang it. Fine then, chicken. Have a rest. Look at that fur. He's like, I am
Как я капала на зверя.
powerful. Or something. I'm super
Yes,
sparrow.
you said
There's
it.
nothing you can do. It's like, I'm an ant. It's mine. Oh no, it was taken away by the evil chickens of doom. What? Oh my god.
Oh god, dog.
Oh, don't poop on him. Come on. Yep. Come on.
Oh,
You can do it. You can do it, birdie. Just eat. Just eat. Oh, come on.
Oh god.
Come on. Don't poop on Edmund. Come on. Did it nearly poop on you? Ah, and it pooped. That was a close call, Edmund. Oh, and it's gone. Okay.
That just went right past my face.
It's like,
Trying to feed you that. Bloody hell.
birds are insane.